Yo guys, I'm back with another vlog. Got my favorite little cat Garfield right here, hanging on to me like no other. Come back, Garfield. Come on. Come on. Alright, come on. You're gonna get up here. Oh, sorry buddy if I pinched the nerve on. Come on, buddy. See, you're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Sorry guys, the screen rotated. You're on YouTube, Garfield. My favorite little kitty cat. Yep, that's Garfield. Meow. Garfield, say hi to camera. Say hi to camera. Meow. Meow. Say hi. Hey, Garfield, say hi. Meow, say hi. Meow. Say hi. Alright, well, he wants to give the cameras cuddle. This sweet little cat. Cool little cat, too. Alright, and he follows me wherever I go. See what I walk faster. Come on, Garfield. See, he follows me wherever I freaking go. Well, he'll probably even follow me over here. See that? He follows me wherever I go. This cat's cool, guys. I love him to death. Alright. Yep. My kitty cat Garfield. Come on, Garfield. Hurry it up. Here's what I got so far on my go-kart. That's supposed to be over here. It's more enhanced of an e-brake. More code to my body. It's Garfield, love you too. You know, I can adjust it. I can put it all the way down here. Put it all the way up like that. Put it all the way over there. Stow it away. So now I just got this. Which I'll probably never do. I'll probably never use just that. Now I got the front end right here. It's gonna go about right there. And I got my place for my gauges. And I got headlights. I still got a little bit of storage down there. I gotta put the fuel tank down there so that works. I don't know if I can find the fuel tank. No, it's right there. I can. Alright. Well, that's the fuel tank. So it's gonna go in right here whenever I actually do build the thing. It's gonna go in like this. And of course that's not as far in as it's gonna go. It's gonna be like inside of it. I'm upgrading to that from, there's a little motor I'm gonna put in it from that little fuel tank. Run the thing for a good half hour. I want more performance time out of it, so I'm also going to be using the nitro fuel for RC cars. Oh yep, there's our chickens. There's our horses, General and Ruby. Ruby's a new addition to the family. just I believe 5 days ago, about a week ago. Pretty cool little horse. Here's General, one that hates me touching his face. Come here, G. Come here, buddy. Here, see? It's a good little horse. And that's Ruby. Ruby! 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 Come on, look up here. Look pretty for the camera. Yeah, I don't think she knows how to look pretty for the camera. Garfield. Once again, following me everywhere I freaking go. There's a Ford. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.